Today I plan on working on the Ford Focus, the loop-filled Focus again. I can't move the metal; it's multi-layers. So what I've done is I've gone out and purchased all the back panels so I can install them. I tried to move it. I'm looking at it as a learning experience. So if you find that a little bit interesting, I'm going to drill these the rest of the way out, and then should start fitting them back in. To see if I can get everything arranged correctly. So if you're interested, stick around. Alright, and these are the four pieces that make up the back panel. These two sides tie into the quarter panels, and then there's the inner and outer piece of the tail. I don't know the exact name of that piece, but you know, one's the inner. You can tell it's the inner because it's got the bolt holes for the latch, and then the two pieces. But this really helps illustrate why I can't use the porta power to push on it. Right there is these. It's double pieces all over. It's so in order to push it to where it needs to go, I end up crushing those pieces. So so these are what I'm going to be trying to fit into place. So, just put you on the tripod and you can watch me drill holes and see what I can get done today. One of the things I have to do is remove these tail lights. Luckily, Ford has quick disconnects. I got the inner liners out of here, so you can get to it easily. It's got a connection right here. You just push the pin in and then pull, and it comes apart. And then on this, you just push the grommet out, and then the whole thing comes out. One less thing to take care of and worry about. Alright, once I get going, I'm going to drill these pinch welds out. Right here, ting, ting, ting. You can sort of see them as you go down. I got to take this plastic piece off so that I can get to them. They continue down all the way, and there's one under here, and then there's a couple, one right there and one right there, and then I should be able to zip this piece off. Same thing on the other side. So then once I got those off, then I can start massaging stuff to try and get it in the right spot with the right dimensions. So, wish me luck. Gonna take these rivets out first. Might have to put a washer on these when I reinstall them. Or I'll just break it. All right, so I think I got all the spot welds done. Now I do the loud stuff where I try and zip this shit off without destroying everything else. So we might as well give it a shot. Ta-da! I just got to get it the rest of the way out without cutting myself all the hell and back. Figure out what's still attached and what isn't. Oh, I got a ground on there still. All right. Something down there at the bottom, right down in here. But I don't know what it is, but we'll get it. I did take some dimensions from the other one that I traded in on Elise's car, so once I start fitting the stuff back together, I should have a pretty decent idea where everything has to go. Plus I have a shop manual which should also show dimensions, but oh, you know what? The spring is still holding it on. Look, it's got a little ring on it, so you hook it and then you slide it over that end. So it works, but now my trunk lid won't stay up. Let's get the other one off. There we go. Woohoo! Now I just got to get this ground off of here. All right, so there's one side. I'm gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna tape it because basically you saw the process. Drilled out spot welds, split the seam, and now I'm finishing up this. And then I'll go do the other one, and then I'll see about starting to fit stuff back together, see how close I am, what I have to pound out, what I got to pull now that I have it all cleaned up. So hopefully you found this interesting. I may end the video here. It just depends on if I can get enough done to where I start fitting the other pieces in. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thank you. You saw me take that out, and then while you were gone I took this side out, so I have it all removed, and then I started fitting stuff back in just to see how much I'm gonna have to move some of this stuff. And as you can see, I gotta move that back piece back some more around where it got pushed in, but we're getting close. I'll just clean it up next time I work on it, and try and straighten some of this out. I gotta pull this. I have a little bit of a crunchy there, so that's telling me it got pushed this way towards the front, of course, because it got hit in the rear. Same thing with all this, and as you can tell, it broke the seam here, so I'm gonna have to take off the seam sealer and clean all this up so I can weld and see what I'm welding to and to get it all straight. So anyways, I still got a ways to go. The other thing I did is I took the piece off the top of these new pieces so that they'll fit, because I didn't feel like getting all the way up into here and under the glass and all that. So I took the piece off. Right there they are. That's pretty good progress, I think, for me. Usually not this adventurous. So anyways, thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll have an episode real soon to start placing these. And again, thanks for watching, and have a great week. I appreciate it, and thanks a bunch for watching. So there's what it looks like with everything removed.